The troll! The troll! It's got Princess Positron!
My headlamp! It's gone too!
Okay, guys, channel your inner wolf.
Diesel, can you smell where it is? Troll fur! No! We need to find him before he's turned into a coat sleeve!
Dolly?
Shh! We're playing a prank on the boys.
Awesome!
What's a prank? Don't worry about it. Now, I just need you to shout for help.
For help!
No, just help.
Just help!
Help. Only help.
Got it! Help! Only help!